Every building, every power line, every electric vehicle relies on metals like aluminium and copper. But behind this strength lies a hidden weakness. For every ton produced, tons of carbon are emitted, resources are depleted, and much of the material never makes it back into the loop. We talk about recycling and circular economy, yet the reality is that industries lack tools that are simple, fast, and smart enough to make circular decisions practical. That's where Metal CA comes in. Imagine typing just a short paragraph. 1 ton of aluminium sheet in India, 40% recycled content, 25-year building life, and then instantly receiving a full life cycle and circularity assessment. Our platform uses AI to fill data gaps, model different pathways, and visualize exactly how much impact can be avoided by shifting from virgin to recycled routes or by designing for reuse. In minutes and not months, engineers and decision makers can see where the biggest gains are and act on them. Metal CA is not just a tool for measuring sustainability, but a catalyst for building the metal sector of the future, circular, efficient, and climate resilient. Let's see the prototype now. This is the prototype. This is the login page. On the login, you can enter the email or username, you can enter your password and then sign in, or you can continue with Google. For now, let's go with the email. And then next, we can enter the password. You can also continue with Google. For now, we'll go with the email. And yes, after signing in, this is the main page. On the main page, you can either add your own dataset for this assessment, or you can continue with the default dataset. In the default dataset, it is a global dataset which contains the global averages. So this is a comprehensive dataset. That's why we chose it for the default dataset. For you can check the upload dataset section. You can browse file and upload it. For now, we'll go with the default dataset. Then the natural language input. Here you can give your prompt or describe your product. We can give it a quick example. You can also give it in a structured form where you enter the product name, you enter the composition, how much recycled content you want or how much virgin content you want. You can change the weight, you can select the material type, you can even select the life cycle stage and processing details, which are optional, but the more context you give, the more better the response will be. For now, we'll go with the natural language input. Here we have a 500 gram aluminium can with 30% recycled content. You can also view the smart hints and the global averages on the right hand side. We'll go with analyzing the product impact. So AI data extraction did all the data extraction. This is the data summary. For some reason, in case you find that the data isn't extracted properly or you want to change the data, you can just edit it. For example, we can change the weight to 0.5 kg to 1 kg here and save. And then we can confirm and continue. And yes, this is the environmental impact analysis. So these are the results for the aluminium product, the total global warming potential, the recycled content, the circularity index, the MCI score. Here you can see various graphs. You can hover over them to see more details. This is the performance benchmarking, and these are the circularity metrics. So on the right hand side, you can see AI powered recommendations. These AI recommendations are the recommendations which you can follow to reduce the global warming potential. We'll continue with the pathway map now. On the pathway map, you can see these are the different stages in the life cycle of the product. You can choose the different end of life scenarios, like we are focusing on recycling now, but if you change it to reuse priority, it changes the process. You can also select different materials like aluminiums and alloys, steel and iron, and you can also change the analysis scope, cradle to grave, cradle to gate. And yes, this is the legend and color coding, and here you can view the stage impact, each stage and their impact. This is the circularity performance, and on the right hand side, as previously told, it is AI powered recommendations. Next come the scenarios, which are the unique selling point of our product. So what we do in this comparison is basically we create three scenarios. The first is baseline, which is the current industry standard practices. Second is user case, which is your case in which you have specified how much recycled content you want. In case you don't provide the recycled content, we just assume the baseline case. And the best case, which is generated by our AI agents. The best case uses various parameters to perform the analysis and then provides the best case scenario, which is the best for environment. So you can see the GWP reduction potential here. You can see the circularity performance, and you can also see the key insights. And last but not least, the AI insights. So this is the summary of the report of all you have seen now. So what you can do is just download the full report and then you can view the report. And also these are the AI powered recommendations. And after all, you can sign out.